Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, happy Mother's Day. How you doing? Make sure you call your mom. Anyway, me and my wife, we did a little yard project yesterday. That's what you're gonna watch next. Hey, Aurora, you got anything to say to your mom for Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Love you, girl.
You're so stupid. Oh my God, I'll put it up for adoption. Anybody want to buy her?
You can put me up for adoption about the 20.
I can still put you up for adoption. Almost gonna die. All right, we'll be back. I better drive. As you can watch me and my lovely wife fix our little circle around our tree over here.
Where's Linda?
That one's Linda.
I'm good. Hi.
Where's Linda?
All right, come on. Let's go.
I can't. There's a woodpecker right there.
Mm-hmm. Jeffrey?
I'm not gonna scare it.
I'm gonna punch your head.
You're gonna peck my head.
Grab his pizza. Revenge.
Yeah. Oh, I scared it away. All right. think about this project, Liz? Liz, talk to me.
How about you sit your ass down and do something?
I'm working.
Just holding the camera.
I'm working.
I'll hire somebody to do this shit.
Who are you gonna hire?
Not Ulnar Lawn Care.
Need a hug. So this is why she's doing the blocks. I just want to let you know, because I wouldn't care, but she's got to have them perfectly level. I would just throw them down. She's a perfectionist when it comes to this stuff. I am not. This is why I mow. We could go Liz's landscape.
No!
No. Okay. Alright, we'll get back to this.
Elbow. So, you want to fill those in?
Yeah. If you can move your legs together.
Yeah, I'm trying to not.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is done. We got a little cleanup to do. But she busted her butt and she got it done. Is there anything you want to say about that, Elizabeth?
No.
No? You have nothing to say about that project?
No, it's not. No.
Is Liz's landscaping
Never happening.
never happening? Never happening. What's that?
No competition.
She is no competition for anybody out there. I don't know. I think she does a pretty good job.
Well, just because I'm good at it doesn't mean I like it.
She said just because she's good at it doesn't mean she likes it. All right. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hey, remember, always give maximum effort and what? She don't watch my videos. Be kind to everyone. We're out. See you next time.